Munini wa gavana kaunti-ini ya Kisii Robert Monda niahaguritwo kuma wabici-ini yake, nao ni thutha wa arugamiriri a wadi 53 kuhitukia na gwikira thairi ya gukorwo makimuhagura, nao arugamiriri a wadi 15 makimutetera.
Pursuant to Standing Order number 60, subsections 7, I now declare that the Deputy Governor of Kisii County Government, His Excellency Honorable Dr. Robert Monda, has been removed from office by the Kisii County Assembly by way of impeachment.
Robert ashukirwo mahitia ma uhuthiri utagiriire wa wabici, ungumania hamwe na kuoya mahaki mugaro wa watho. Kuringana na wakiri wa Robert niwe katwa kigeni ni augite ati maumirira ma kuhagura munini wa gavana uyu matina thuthurio na kinyi ona thutha wa guthikiriria cira wake na gweterera mathaa matanyihire 7.
It would seem like what the voting pattern that eventually occurred after arguments, discussions, presentations for over 7 hours ended up being what exactly would seem to have been the likely event that would have happened within the first 10 minutes of the process.
So I'm not surprised that my colleagues were mobilized 53 number to actually vote, to come in and vote in favor of impeachment of the deputy governor.
Gukiri uguo arugamiriri a wadi kaunti-ini ino ya Kisii na aria mateteire Robert ni matetetie mitaratara iria irahuthirirwo ni bunge ya kaunti ya Kisii ya kuhagura Robert amu ni mugaro na gatiba ya bururi.
We have just come from celebrating the death of democracy. But fortunately there is a second resurrection and we know democracy is going to resurrect in the Senate.
What we have witnessed today is a culmination of the conning, the political conning, the deceit and the unrealistic character of Governor Zimbarati.
The process that began in the Kisii County Assembly about 2 weeks ago has come to a conclusion whereby the majority of the members of the Kisii County Assembly have accepted the grounds that are tabled in my impeachment motion against the Deputy Governor, His Excellency Dr. Robert Monda.
Girifotera Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.